Welcome back to JV Radio channel. If it's your first time here, ensure you click the subscribe button and turn post notification on. My viewers subscribers, it's actually a sad day today in dancehall and for Beenie Man. Now, it would appear that there was some kind of altercation at Beenie Man's mother's funeral just before the dancehall artist fainted and was rushed to hospital. We kinda understand still see how last time I see mother, you get me? Especially in a time like this, rain a fall, the place crowded, people around him make up being nice, so that would have most likely to happen. It's just that we're glad say nothing to do him and he's recovering, you get me, my viewer subscribers. But we understand still it's just a rough time, like, I know him never expect all this to happen. You see it a pure rain a fall and I'm not sure as to where the burial was. You know, but it appears as if it was never a low-lying area, because we never see much flooding, even though you can see the rain did a fall at the burial still. But we're glad to see how him alright and everything okay on his side and his family side. Again, condolence goes out to him and his family, and RIP to his mother. You get me, my viewer subscribers. But yeah, the artist is okay. Yeah, we understand him. He was fainted and rushed to hospital. So if persons that spread rumors say, yo, the man dropped down because of this and because of that, no one know. All we can see are it appears as if there was an altercation of some kind or some sort. And because of how many persons were surrounding him, you know, of course, he might go faint and thing, my viewer subscribers. But yeah, him alright and thing. So moving along, my viewer subscribers, watching you have take bad things make joke more while. So we know it's a whole heap of rain fall right now, whole heap, and the bad thing about it is that within these waters were actually caused by the heavy rainfall. You have reptiles in the water, which is crocodile, and a video circulate on the internet with a couple or a group of men try capture a crocodile, which me know say how them people here are not actually persons who are trained to even do this. So I wonder why they never call the necessary authorities to come and actually deal with this. Now, in the event of all of this, a man a try, I don't know what my try do. It appears as if, as you can see,
Stinky crestfallen by the crocodile by the people there.
it appears as if him there try to put something in the crocodile mouth, and the crocodile say, "Here, wanna? No, I'm a chance for prove a point now." Grab on the man. Him for glad say more like man never come off, and while me can't show the footage as to how him, the aftermath of how him hand look, based on the picture when me and see my viewers subscribers, yo, like the crocodile biting him hand, literally biting him, and me know so that now get better for now, and me know that I go take 400 odd stitches. And you know how the biting thing going to come on to crocodile. You see me? Bite, grab, lock. You see me? Some of you are subscribers. The good thing about it is that the men that were there were able to get his hand out of the crocodile's mouth. I don't know what them do. It appears as if them draw the crocodile tail and the crocodile let go. But I know say the crocodile never dare go let go if I man the crocodile alone. So he must give God thanks, or else he would lose a hand at the rainy day or the rainy season, which he would regret. Probably he would say if me did know, I would just call it. But we're glad to say I'm alright still, even though when I watched the video it was funny at first until me realized yo, the crocodile really and truly bite him. When me see back the after picture them, the crocodile bite him for true. Some people want to stay safe. You see, if you're in the floodline or low line areas, leave. But to higher heights, come on that hilltop right as spot with it. You get me? So until next time, just vibes radio. I'm out.